The second new tool that I've been working on in recent times at SBN is MAQI. Of course, others at SBN have been working on other tools. I'm only presenting today the two things that I personally have been working on. So what is MAQI? Here's a quick background. The Minor Planet Center maintains a large and important database of observations and orbits. We at UMD maintain a replica of that database on premises. And in recent times, we've also set up an AWS replica. And the main purpose of that is to enable other institutions to maintain their own replicas of this database in such a way that we can be confident that the system will never go down. At the moment, I think we're supporting about 10 different institutions who are all maintaining their own Postgres database, and maintaining such a database is not trivial. So we decided that we would create a website and a server which allows you to simply submit arbitrary SQL queries directly to our AWS replica. Hence the name MPC Advanced Queries Interface. Here's the live site at maqi.astro.umd.edu. If you want to use the site, you need to just send me an email and I'll set you up with an account. Let's sign in. And here we are at the home page. Now, I'm sure you've used sites like this before. You have a space where you can submit your SQL query. We have a bunch of presets down here, which can give you a sense of what you might want to do with the database. You can plan your query. And of course, you can contact us if you feel like we're missing indices that would be useful to you. So let's launch this query. The system works with a server that has 6 workers that are running around the clock looking to take items off a queue. So this query got put onto a queue. There's not much activity right now, so it almost immediately got processed. And here are the results displayed directly in the browser. You can download the results, of course, and in your history section, you can peruse all of your past queries. This is the one that we just ran. So it's conceptually simple enough. As I said, I'm sure you've used sites like this before. Now, of course, most power users are going to want to not work just through the browser, but they're going to want to work through the API. So the instructions are here as to how to go about setting that up. I'll do a quick demo. So here in the command line, I have a Python script, which is going to run a whole bunch of jobs simultaneously, just to sort of see how our workers can handle a non-trivial workflow. This code is available through the browser at the API page. So we run this, it just launched 10 jobs. And if we go back to the site, we can go to the page which lets you know what's going on the site globally. So because we have 6 workers, 6 of those jobs got immediately picked up for processing, and 4 of those jobs remain in the queue. These individual jobs are going to take about 30 seconds each. So soon we will start to see the workers finish the first 6 jobs, and then the items that had been queued, we had 4 queued, and they've now been put to process. And they're all finishing up now. So our 6 workers handled those 10 jobs pretty handily. And of course, we can see where those jobs ended up in our history. If the results have more than 1,000 rows at the moment, then we don't show a preview, but you just download it. So that's it. MAQI is conceptually very simple, but we hope it's going to be useful to the community who want to query the MPC database, but do not want to have to set up and maintain their own replica.